Hello everyone and welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to edit the post and make a post by showing you the format tools that you have in your WordPress. So without further ado, let's get into it. Okay, as you can see, the first thing that you have here is your blank page. You don't have this usually, it's empty, so you can you know type text. For example, uh, this is a test text. As we have this, we can write here however you want and how much you want, so it wouldn't matter actually. Here you have this word count. It'll count every word by spaces and show you how many words are here. And this draft saved, show you every little detail about timing of this post. This that you can see here is Grammarly. This is an extension that I'll show you how to install and use it later. So for the formatting part, probably the first thing you'll see is this page and these options. We will go through each and every one of them and I'll show you how to use them. So the first thing that you see is this combo list, and if you open it, it'll give you different text formats. As you can see, these are different headings. Each and every heading has its own size font differences, and the thing that you should know is headings will help you a lot in your SEO. So you should know which heading that you're gonna use for a title or everything that you have in your video or for your posts. Sorry. Now let me put this in paragraph mode, which is a normal text, and let's get into the other things. The other one is this bold option. If you click on it, and the part that you choose will be bold, and if you choose choose the text and click it again, it will be undone. The next one is italic, and it's, as you know, the italic thing, and you can use them both at the same time. It is no problem in it. The next thing is a bullet list. As you can see, you can make a list unnumbered. Number one, number two. This is good for example, naming things, without order. But the next thing is, to get out of it, you just need to double enter. The next list that you have is numbered, which is in order. For example, if you want to put an ordered list, you can use it like this: 1, 2, 3, and double enter to get out of. The next one is this block quote, which is a very useful one. As you can see, you can choose the text that you want, and if you choose on this block quote option, it'll separate it from the text. It gives it a bold look, and it'll look like a a speech or part of an important sentence in a paragraph. We can use this block quote thing to change it. Now I will undo it, carry into the list. We have this alignment, left, center, right, and you can usually put it at the left here, so or maybe a title that you want to put on the center. Next one, we have this link option, which has a control K, for example, a control K shortcut. If I choose this, a part of a text, and click on insert link, type a website or any link that you want, google.com for example. So you can see it has a underline on it, and if I go for it, it'll show you a link that you created. This one is an insert more. For example, you have a brief text for your post, and for example, you write this much, and the rest of it is for the full article. You can put this, and it'll automatically do it for you. Now let me undo it. When you if you click on this toolbar toggle, it'll show you many more options. These are some text formatting stuff that you wouldn't probably use that much, but I'm going to explain it to you. This one is a strike through. You wouldn't need it, but this one is a very useful one. It's called a horizontal line. It's very classy, or you can separate text, or beginning of your text with it, and it'll be helpful. These two, for example, if you choose this one and you want to change the color, you can uh, change the color from this part, and for example I will choose red, as you can see, and the text becomes red. Now if you want to undo that, first of all you can change the color to the normal, or you can click on this clear formatting and it will turn it back to normal. It wouldn't, but destroyed the link. This one is a special character. If you need any like omega stuff, we can put it here. And you don't use it that much. I guess you wouldn't. The next one is this indentation. As you can see, it just moves your text however you like and how much you like. For example, we have this horizontal line and I want to align this text with it. I change this indentation and it'll be aligned. Or you can move however you like. This is undo button and redo button. If I it'll undo stuff. And when your text is complete and you just want to publish it, all you need to do is click on this publish button. It's update because it's already published, so it's just update button. Or with this move to trash, you can just throw it at the garbage. And if I, for example, sorry for that, I choose this text and change the indentation and just update it to see what you have done, and I see this post in the here. So you can see this is how it looks. It's not that good. This is because of the theme of the website, but it will look good in your correct theme. And this is self-title or normal title. You can change it here. Test text. If I update it and refresh this page, the title change. That's all for the formatting of your posts. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in the next video.